What if a flip phone wasn't just stylish, but powerful enough to replace your regular smartphone in every way? That's exactly what Samsung aims to prove with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Their latest clamshell foldable launched on July 9th in New York City. This year's model packs serious upgrades without losing the charm of the iconic flip design. The most noticeable change is the new 4.1-inch flex window cover screen, which now stretches across the entire front and curves around the cameras much bigger than the 3.4-inch panel on the Flip 6. It also gets a 120Hz refresh rate and reaches a brightness of 2600 nits, making it much more usable outdoors. The inner display has grown too, now measuring 6.9 inches with the same high refresh rate and brightness, plus Gorilla Glass Victus to protection for added toughness. The Flip 7 also becomes the first in the series to use an Exynos chip, ditching Qualcomm in favor of the new Exynos 2500 processor. This 10-core chip comes with an AMD-based Xclipse 950 GPU and is paired with 12GB RAM and storage choices of 256GB or 512GB. While there's still number 1TB model, this setup puts the Flip 7 closer to flagship performance than ever. Battery life also takes a big step forward, with a 4,300 mAh battery up from 4,000 mAh on the previous model, making it the largest battery in any Galaxy Flip phone so far. Charging is still capped at 25W wired, 15W wireless, and 4.5W reverse wireless, but with a bigger battery, users can expect better endurance. Connectivity is top tier too, including 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB 3.2 Type-C, NFC, and even satellite messaging support, which is possible thanks to the Exynos chip. Camera hardware, however, hasn't changed much, which might disappoint some. The Flip 7 includes the same 50 megapixels main, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and 10 megapixels front-facing cameras as before, and still no telephoto lens due to the compact size. But software improvements help make up for its enhanced low light processing, improved color accuracy, and new tools like real-time filters and a zoom slider built into the Flex window. Flex mode remains a major draw, turning the phone into a tripod for selfies, videos, or video calls. You can also use the rear cameras for high-quality selfies, with the cover screen acting as your viewfinder. Samsung also adds powerful Galaxy AI editing tools like Object Eraser for quick post-shot tweaks. On the software side, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 launches with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and promises 7 years of updates. It also became the first Flip model to support Samsung DeX, allowing both wired and wireless desktop-like experiences, great for productivity. AI features like Gemini Live are now accessible directly from the cover screen, so you don't even need to open the phone to use them. Design-wise, the Flip 7 is Samsung's thinnest and lightest yet, made from armor aluminum, measuring just 13.7mm when folded and 6.5mm when open. With a weight of only 188 grams, it's offered in for stylish colors: jet black, blue shadow, coral red, and a mint shade, available only online. Pre-orders opened on July 9th, with sales starting July 25th. Pricing is slightly higher this time, €1,199 for the 256GB version and €1,319 for 512GB in Europe. While in the United States, they're priced at $1,099 and $1,219 before tax. While the price bump might raise eyebrows, the overall package, from larger displays and longer battery life to improved AI features and the introduction of Samsung DeX, makes the Galaxy Z Flip 7 a more complete and powerful flip phone than ever before. If you want a foldable that's not just about looks but can handle serious tasks too, this might be the one to beat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest foldables and mobile tech.